Forget my bait.
Oh.
Yesterday, I left it in my wetsuit. I figured the fish may want to start.
How'd that work after you're done?
The dive was great.
Okay.
I came back and started sucking at it. Don't suck on stuff. It's bad for your health.
Captain Rick, how you doing today?
You know, I don't know if I've ever had a bait.
That is awesome. Galen, how you doing today? You ready to do this?
Heck yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Anything to say, Simeon?
I'm living the dream, baby.
All right, man. I won't interrupt them right now. Maya, I always do this, so you're probably not used to having a camera shoved in your face. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. You guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
Looking forward to it? All right. How you doing? Ready to go? Okay. That's right. That's right. It is. I heard that. Birthday girl! Evan, how you doing?
Pretty good.
All right.
Pretty good.
Awesome. Awesome. Amanda, and I can't remember your name. Galen. Phoebe, how you doing? You ready to go? All right, cool. Gabby, anything to say today?
Not really.
No pressure.
What?
No pressure.
I'm excited.